Hey guys, today I will be explaining how to divide fractions using a common denominator. Sometimes doing this can be easier than doing the regular method of flipping and multiplying, because sometimes you can get really big numbers when you multiply straight across. So here's a fairly easy equation to solve. You've got 2/3 divided by 1/2. So your first step when doing this method, obviously, is to find a common denominator. This is very easy with this equation. It's 6. You just multiply straight across. But what you do to the bottom, you do to the top. So you have your 2/3, and you multiply it by 2/2 because of your denominator there. So you would get 4/6. Then you do the same one with the other one. So it's 1/2 times 3/3 because the denominator is 3. And in that you would get 3/6. So your new equation is 4/6 divided by 3/6. So now that you have your common denominator, you can just divide straight across. 4 divided by 3 is 4/3, and 6 divided by 6 is 1. So then that would be over 1. But since it's anything over 1 is itself, you can get rid of the 1. So your final answer is 4/3 or 1 1/3. See? It's very easy. So now here's a pretty easy one to solve. Again, is 3/5 divided by 2/3. Bigger number, obviously, your common denominator is going to be 15. You're going to have 3/5 times 3/3, and you're going to get 9/15. Your other one is going to be 2/3 times 5/5, which equals 10/15. See, bigger numbers. So your new equation is going to be 9/10 divided by 10/15. Now that you have your common denominator, oops, sorry, that's supposed to be a 15, not a 10. My bad. So now that you have your common denominator, you can just divide straight across. 9 divided by 10 is 9/10, and then 15 divided by 15 is 1. Same idea as the first one. Anything over 1 equals itself. So you can get rid of it, so your final answer is 9/10. So if you want kind of really hard numbers, let's do 100. So let's do 5/10 divided by 9/10. Your common denominator is obviously going to be 100 because it's 10 times 10. So you've got your 5/10 times your 10 over your 10. So your new fraction is 50 over 100. With your 9/10, it would be the same thing, times 10 over 10. They're the same number. So you would have 90 over 100. So now your new problem is 50 over 100 divided by 90 over 100. So now that you have your common denominator, divide straight across. 50 divided by 90 is 50 over 90, and 100 divided by 100 is 1. Anything over 1 is itself, so your final answer is 50 over 90. But wait, that can be reduced. This is as simple as just crossing out zeros, because it's 10. So your final answer is actually 5/9. It's pretty easy. So now here's a few to try by yourself. You have the first one, which is 8/9 divided by half. You've got 2/5 divided by 3/5. And you've got 1/2 divided by 1/2. Good luck.